Hi everyone, welcome back to It's Dwight Cooking Show. Today I'll be giving you a brown stew chicken recipe that I hope you guys enjoy. Now guys, I'm going to start the process right now, so just follow me as I take you through this wonderful recipe. Okay guys, I'm back now. Here you see I have my chicken chopped up and my herbs and spices. Look at those beautiful colors. You have tomato, you have bell peppers of 1, 2, 3, 4 different colors. You have onion, you have escallion, thyme, garlic, a little piece of ginger, and some pepper. And a list of my seasonings, and least but not least, the browning that gives the chicken that color, Jamaican grace browning. So let's get this show started. Okay guys, so now I'm gonna get my gloves on as I get ready to season the chicken. I'm gonna switch places now, put the chicken here, and I'll be adding the measurement in the description box below. So guys, let's get this show started. Okay, so I'm going to add my seasonings. Pinch of salt, and I'm gonna add pepper and just take my time and add the ingredients. Of course, you know that I'm seasoning up the meat, so you just add the ingredients. You know, I love when the color comes out in my recipe. Just look at those colors. I'm gonna set this aside, and now I'm just gonna massage in all the herbs and the seasoning. Look at that. So at this point I'm just going to pull the browning because I forgot to pull it. So I'm going to take my gloves off, one of them. Always tend to forget to pull most of the stuff when I'm doing my seasoning. Now guys, this is a very heavy browning, so you don't want to add too much to the dish to make the chicken dark. So you just want to take your time just to give it that color. As I said, there's the color that you want it to get. So I'm just going to rub this up off camera, and then when I get back I'll show you the finished preparation. Okay guys, now this is it. So what I'm gonna do, I'm just gonna put it in the refrigerator for about 30 minutes and let the herbs and the seasoning soak in, and then I'll be right back to start this cooking. So stay tuned. Okay guys, I'm back. Now I'll draw for the good old Dutch pot. Just gonna add a little oil. Oh guys, and I forgot to tell you, I de-skinned my chicken. I know some persons like to fry with the skin, but I choose to de-skin mine. So I'm just gonna give the oil some time to heat up. while I get the fork and try to pick out a few of the garlic cloves and the ginger to add to the pot. Okay, you can hear that the oil is hot. Alright guys, now I'm going to be adding the chicken, but first I'm going to be separating the herbs of the chicken, because you don't want the herbs to be in the pot as yet. So I'm just going to separate it off camera and just add it to the stove. Add the chicken to the fire. Woo! This is a lovely Jamaican recipe for all my American friends. Popular Jamaican recipe, brown stew chicken. Gonna turn a few of them right now, so they're getting brown. And guys, I still have a few more pieces, so what I'm going to do is I'm going to fry these, take them out, and then do the rest. So I'm going to brown all of them, take them out, and then add the rest to the pot. Just a few more pieces. As I said, the herbs is going to be left for the gravy. Okay guys, so I'm back. Now that it's ready, I'm going to be adding the herbs to the pot. And some warm water, well, boiling water. Of course, you know the pot is hot, so you have to keep that temperature. Throw a little in the basin, wash out the herbs that's left in it, and just throw it in. You see, pot is still boiling up. That is one of the things that you guys should do when you're cooking. Whatever the temperature of the food in the pot, and you're adding water, you have to add the same temperature water. You don't want to cool down the stove after the stove is hot. So I'm going to add some more water just to cover up. This is the whole idea of stewed chicken. Alright guys, one last look before I cover. See you guys in 15 minutes to see the process how it's going. Alright guys, I'm back. I'm gonna check it right now. Woo! Look at the color is just popping, guys. Look at it. I'm just gonna make sure that herbs and everything is well incorporated. Look at that, beautiful. I'm just gonna turn it down a little, and you guys will see me again in a few minutes. Alright guys, I'm back to check up. As you can see, the gravy is getting thicker. So I'm just gonna stir it around, make sure it doesn't stick. And at this time guys, you can taste it to see how the seasoning is and see what you can add. Okay, just a little bit spicy from the pepper, but just right. Woo! Brown stew chicken, guys. How can I close the pot without giving you one final look? So it's simmering down. So guys, the next time you join me is the finishing process. So guys, I hope you enjoy this video. Continue to watch, continue to like, continue to share, continue to tell your friends. Okay guys, look at that, nice and thick gravy. Now guys, what I want you to do now is join me at the table. Okay guys, here we go. Beautiful. Thank you guys for watching. Please remember to like, share and subscribe.